Welcome back, students. In this part B, unit 1, digital documentation advanced, we are going to solve the final exercise. Okay, in this part, section A is based on the MCQs. First, to reduce eye strain, window has the dash features. So the feature which is inside, that it is not given inside, so it is called the none of these. Komal has inserted a picture in a document, but she wants to cut off a part of the picture. Which option should she use to accomplish the task? So to remove the unwanted part from any picture, we have to use crop. Simran is celebrating his son's first birthday. He wants to invite her friends and family members to the party. Which feature will he use to send the same invite to many people with different addresses without typing it again and again? So to do so, we can use the mail merge to send many person at the same document with the many person. A dash is a model that used to create other document of the same type, so it is called template. Dash styles in OpenOffice Writer is used to format a numbered and bulleted list, so this is called a list. Number 6, which of the following is not used to creating a new styles in OpenOffice Writer? Format dialog box. The image can directly be inserted into a writer document if dash is connected to the computer scanner. Dash graphic filter is used to remove single pixel from an image. Remove noise. RGB in color type stands for red, green and blue. Dash is the shortcut key to cut the image from a writer document. Control X. Which of the following keys is used to select all the objects to group them together? Control. Dash option of wrap prevents text from being placed to the side of the image if the spacing between the image and the margin is less than 2 cm. Optimal page wrap. Which of the following steps are used to create a document from default template in OpenOffice? So go to the file, new and text document. Dash tab is used to set the attributes of the table of content, so entries. Now short question answers. Number 1, define style. Styles are predefined combination of font styles, colors, size of text, indentation, elements of the text that can be applied to the selected text, characters, paragraphs to change the appearance of the document. That is called as styles. Write this use of frame styles in OpenOffice Writer. Frame styles are used to format graphics and frames. It consists of options for wrapping, alignment, borders, background color, etc. Name the various methods to apply styles in OpenOffice Writer. Styles in OpenOffice Writer can be applied using styles and formatting windows, fill format mode and fill style list. Is it possible to modify styles in OpenOffice? If yes, then give various methods, common ways to modify styles. So answer is yes, styles can be modified in OpenOffice Writer. Two common ways is first, updating a styles from the selection, and second, load or copy styles from another document or the template. Why are pictures or images added in a document? So pictures or images lends a visual appeal to any document. Also it makes the document more understandable for the readers. What is the effect of pop art graphic filter? Pop art graphic filter modifies the image dramatically by changing the color of a picture to a pop art format. Is it possible to insert an image already saved in one of the folders in the user system? Yes, we can insert already saved pictures inside the document. What do you mean by filters in OpenOffice Writer? Filter option provides many options to add filters effects to the image. Give general steps required to group drawing objects. For this, step number 1, select all the objects while holding the shift key. Then For this, bounding box expand to include all the selected objects. Then click on format and group and click on the group option. Otherwise, right click it, click on the group and select the group option. What is the use of table of contents features in OpenOffice Writer? Table of content feature in Writer allows us to build an automated table of contents from the headings in our documents. How will you change elements in the structure line? To change an element in the structure line, just click the button representing the element to be changed and then click the element button of the element that you want to substitute from the row just below the structure line. Give basic steps required to save the table of contents. To save a table of content and to insert them in the document, click on the OK button on the Insert Index or Table dialog box. This closes the Insert Index or Table dialog box, and then table of content gets inserted as per your requirement. Define mail merge. When the same letter has to be sent to multiple recipients and the matter is the same, only the address and the greetings lines differ, the mail merge facility is used. See the text box, see the text below and identify the features applied to each. So in this image, font formatting like bold, italic, font face, font size is applied. Wrap text is there. Text formatting like alignment is also there. Column formatting is there and bullets is applied. So there in these 5 features are applied. So students, this is all about our chapter number 1, digital documentation advanced. You have to write this exercise section A and section B both. No need to write section C, D and E because it is the descriptive question answer. So till the date whatever we have learned, you have to write everything inside your notebook, okay, and you have to send me the PDF. Till then, thank you and bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like my videos also, okay. Thank you and bye.